Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode and Happy New Year. I hope everyone had a safe, healthy Christmas. This morning we'll be doing a waterfall called Gorge Falls, something that Sage and I have never done before, so we don't really know what to expect. Location-wise, entry-wise, all you have to do is follow Tallabudger Creek Road all the way to the end. Pardon me. All you have to do is follow Tallabudger Creek. Excuse me.
Oh,
rude as hell.
Every time you talk.
Are you done? Rude as hell.
I don't walk on a spider web.
Anyway, as I was saying, all you have to do is follow Tallabudger Creek Road all the way to the end, and you will come up to a car park that looks like this. So yeah, it is currently 10 past 7 in 1 minute. So it's 9 past 7. It is Friday morning, and yeah, so I think it is a, what was it, how long?
2 hour there, so it's a 4-hour return trip.
So about 4-hour return, but we'll see. So far we've been walking for 3 minutes, so I'll put my stopwatch on and then yeah, we'll get into it. Oh, we're already coming up to a strange crossing looking thing.
Is this our creek crossing?
Is this our creek crossing?
Yeah, look at the path there, because that's private property, not anything on that side.
Mm. Do you know what? Ah. Already. Already shenanigans. Oh, there's a creek crossing. No, I see something over there. On the left. Remember they always said left. Left, left, left.
And definitely not to the part where it's
Well, we'll see though, because there's a sign over there.
Alrighty, up we go.
Right, so the instructions say left, left always.
When you get to the fork, you take the left. Avoid the stairs.
Right, so I'm going to put my stopwatch on so we get a rough estimate from this first creek crossing. I'm going to put my stopwatch on to see. Well, look at that. That tree's almost out of the ground. Sage will film it for you.
I don't want to start this walk already with wet feet. Look at that. It's like a little...
Right, so I'm going to put my stopwatch on from the very first creek crossing, which looks like this.
Yikes. You know, it's still looking pretty sturdy, even though it's half this.
Right, so I'm going to put my stopwatch on from the very first creek crossing, which looks like this. You will see a gigantic tree that's almost fallen over.
It's still upright though, look. Look at the tree.
Well, it's kind of on the piss. But yes, I'll put my stopwatch on. Stopwatch from first creek. Boom, on, now. So now we're rolling. We'll tell you exactly how long it takes us to get to this waterfall from the first creek. Baby, do I have any bookers? Booger check.
No, you're good.
Booger check is done.
That's because the one time you didn't and you had a massive booger the whole time.
Yeah, because one time I had boogers and I was filming and I was so annoyed when I was editing. I was like, oh. Alright, so this does look like the right path.
You can go left.
Left.
Go left. Private property. Children not allowed.
So we're looking for things like this. We're looking for things like this. Right?
That's the path over there. I want to take this way. Taking this way. Ah, just walked through another spider web. Do not like spider webs, as you all know from one of the past videos where Ben spent the next 15 minutes with a bloody piece of grass irritating me. Oh, right. Creek number 2 done, and my feet are still dry. That's what we like to hear.
This is our second creek crossing. Oh, that one wasn't stable. Yeah, it was a horsefly. I had 2 of them already. Oh, well, this one was big. The water's nice and clear.
So Ben has stopped to film the spider. That will be a home for something. It's got something blue shining out of it. But we'll continue, Ben will catch up. So, I see a sign up ahead. I did get bitten by something. I think it was, I don't know, it was something that could fly. Ben thinks it's a horsefly, but I got the welt there and there. It's 2 of them. Made me bleed. Wasn't really the greatest.
Okay, so if you're ever going to do this trail, when you come up to this section here, cream track, stairs, you do not go up the stairs, you keep left. Just keep left. Whenever you come here, just keep left, yeah? It looks like this. And this is the track. So this is the track you want to follow. You do not go up those stairs. Oh wow, yeah, this is very nice. This is more like a rainforest now. Yeah, nice. So you got all this water, running water right next to us on the left always, which is very nice. I'm hoping that the waterfall is flowing. That'd be good. Worst thing is going to a waterfall and there's actually no waterfall. It's very sad. Do all that hiking for nothing. But worst case scenario, you get to go for a swim. Yeah, check this out. Might have to look out for ribbons on this trail.
Ben ended up coming to my side. Yeah, I was right. See, I looked ahead. That's why I chose my path. Ben was winging it. Once again, look how clear the water is. Huh. Can't see any wildlife in the water though. No fishies.
Okay, update. We've been walking for 32 minutes. It's just been following the creek to our left. So if you do this track, you pretty much follow the creek to your left. And then you got to do some left to right hopping. But tell you what, the scenery is very beautiful around here. Very beautiful scenery. Check this out. Look at that. Very beautiful. And that's where we're heading. So yeah, if it rained a lot, this would all be very much high off water. It'd be very difficult. You would be stepping in water a lot. Not too sure what's going on here, but we'll soon find out. So there's a waterfall right here. Ah. Huh. We're here already. Babe, we're here already. We're here already. So So 33 minutes in and we're here already. So the walk is maybe a 40-minute walk. Wow, this is beautiful. There's some shoes here though. I don't know if we're the only people. Right there.
Oh, well I did see some rock cuts now on the way.
So it looks like, oh, they're broken shoes and stuff. So look at this. I don't know if anyone's here, but this is absolutely disgusting. Like, look at this stuff right here. Water bottle, towel, shoes, like disgusting. People leaving their crap here. I'll first find out if anyone's here, because yeah, I'll take that home. I've got a rubbish bag with me, so I'll sort that crap out, because it's just, I hate it. Absolutely disgusting when people do that. This is such a beautiful spot. We've never been here, but yeah, this is looking very beautiful already.
Off we go. Oh, it's gonna be cold. Yep, I was right. Indeed. It is ice. Ice water, everyone. I was looking forward to going in after a 2-hour long hike, because I knew that I would have been hot. But after 30-40 minutes of walking in just this. Oh. You know what, now that I'm in it, it's actually not that bad, guys. But in saying that, that's just my feet. When it comes to actually putting my whole body in, I'm a pansy.
Alright, so it looks like no one is actually here. So I'm going to sort this rubbish out, because it just revs my gears. So I've got a plastic bag with me. I'll put this down here. It really pisses me off. It really pisses me off when people come to Mother Nature, like beautiful places like this, and then you leave your trash. Like, look at this. This is absolutely disgusting what people have left here. Water bottle. A towel. And it's wet and it's moldy, it stinks. So it's been here for a couple days. A hat. Shoes. More shoes. So whoever's done this, you are absolutely pigs and you should stay at home. Do not ever come out into Mother Nature and do that again. You're an absolute pig and a disgrace. Shame on you. All right. All right. Look at this. Look at these. It's like holes in the rocks. That's cool. Look at this though. Check this beautiful place out. Wow. Okay everybody, so I'm going to hop in and test out the waters since we're the only ones there. Time to test the waters out. Woo. I hope there's no no leeches or short-tailed eels, because I've been attacked by one already in one of my videos. Ooh. Oh yeah! What a beautiful spot, eh? Alright, so I'm gonna climb up the ropes and have a look what's up there. Test that out. The water is very nice and clear. Until you disturb it, obviously. Woo. Wow, it's beautiful! Check that out for a secret location, eh? This is what to expect on top of the waterfall. You'll see the ropes. It is very dangerous to climb up here. Very dangerous. Very slippery. Please do not do it if you're uncomfortable. But yeah, this is like a hidden waterfall up here. Very beautiful. Ay, ay, ay. All right, wish me luck. 1, 2, 3. I'm alive, everybody! All right. Alrighty, everybody. It is time to head back. It is currently 9 o'clock. Some people have started showing up, so we were here bright and early. Best way to do it. I've got my rubbish bag connected to me with the shoes and all the other crap that people have left behind. So yeah, it was quite a beautiful walk. It was very fresh. So the water was very fresh. I don't know what's happening with my girlfriend. You okay? Yeah, the sun's coming out now. The sun is coming out. It is beautiful weather. Gorgeous weather. Oh, ho, ho. Slippery shoes is not good. Wet shoes. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, we're in nature.
I'm giving off drowned rat vibes. Ben's swinging. That just shows how much rubbish people left there. Ben has found more rubbish. An old mangly towel.
Yeah, it was wedged in between rocks.
So that's added to the bin.
There's another one.
Oh, look.
More clothes.
Oh, disintegrating clothes. Shows that it's been there for a while. But Ben's here doing his duty. Being the bin man.
9:30.
So the walk back took us like less, maybe like 30 minutes max. Maybe just above. And we're already at the cars.
Yeah, car park's way packed.
The car park is full this time. Shows that we came at a good time. We are leaving and everyone else is coming. Woo! Surprisingly, it wasn't that long of a walk. It was pretty easy, pretty good. And the water was actually really lovely. I do recommend coming here.
Yeah. Alright everybody, that's going all in the bin. So yeah, that was our adventure to Gorge Waterfall. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave us a comment. Leave us a comment about what you did like and what you didn't like, and yeah, let us hear your thoughts. So yeah, if you're new to the channel, give us a like and subscribe. We've got more camping. Well, we're going camping tomorrow, going to Christmas Creek again. And yeah, like always, we shall catch you next time. Peace.
See ya.
My rubbish bag isn't big enough for all this rubbish. My load. Stinky, gross, rotten towel. Hey, hey, hey. Dropped it off at the nearest bin.